Hello everyone, so if you want to perform a factory reset on a locked Motorola Razr 50, if you've forgotten your password, PIN or pattern, well, first of all, we are to locate two essential buttons. So this is our power button, we need it for everything, and our volume down button. Alright, after that, let's hold our power button. We are to summon our power off menu and choose your power off option. Now give your phone a couple seconds to be powered off. Alright, now when it's off, you're to hold your power button and your volume down button simultaneously. So we entered our fast boost mode. So we can navigate through it using our volume down and volume up buttons. So choose your recovery mode option. Here it is. Now confirm your choice by pressing power button. After, we're gonna enter our recovery mode. So here we are to press our power button and press our volume down button once again. Alright, after we did it, you can choose a few options. So once again, you can navigate through this menu using your volume down and volume up button. So here you are to choose your wipe data / factory reset. Choose this option, press power button. Now choose your factory data reset. Confirm your choice by pressing power button. And basically that's it. After the whole data was formatted, choose your reboot system now and confirm your choice by pressing on power button. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.